Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Intex Greywood Deluxe 4-person hot tub, LED light and 6 cartridges, cup holder, headrest and maintenance kit. The Intex Greywood Deluxe 4-person inflatable hot tub with LED light kit. Gray is a whole new level of indulgence, with its sophisticated gray wood grain pattern that adds a touch of elegance to any backyard. This outdoor and indoor spa features FiberTech interior construction that offers superior structural stability while maintaining a comfortable surface and refreshing spa experience. Product benefits: over 140 high-powered massaging bubble jets to soothe your soul, 2 premium foam headrests for the ultimate relaxation, Maintenance Accessory Kit. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.